Parties. Political parties. Political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the governments. They agree on some policies and programs for the society with a view to promote the collective good. A political party tries to convince people that its policies are better than others' policies. They try to win elections so that they can implement their policies. Thus, parties reflect fundamental political divisions in a society. Parties are about a part of the society and thus involve partnership. Thus, a party is known by which party it stands for, which policies it supports, and whose interests it upholds. A political party has three components: the leader, the active member, and the follower. Function of political party: elections, declaration of policies, molding public opinion to form and run the government. The role of opposition: parties play decisive roles in making law. Parties provide people access to the government machinery and welfare schemes. Need for political parties. It is very difficult to imagine democracy without political parties because without political parties, every candidate in the elections will be independent, so one will able to make any promises to the election. How many parties should we have? Single party system, bi-party system, multi-party system, coalition party, ideal party. Political parties in India: national political parties, regional political parties. National party. These exists, operate and function throughout the India. It should secure at least 6% valid votes at the last general elections or last assembly elections in our four states is recognized as national party. The Election Commission of India has recognized the following parties as national political party for the election: Indian National Congress, ideologies of Congress, Indian National Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party, ideologies of BJP, Communist Party of India, ideologies of CPI, ideologies, National Congress Party, regional parties, challenges of political parties. How can be party reformed? Continuation. Steps taken by the Election Commission. Proposals for election reforms. Prevention of state funding of elections. Check on the misuse of official machinery. Provision to minimize the number of candidates. Proper revision of voters list. Thank you.